What's up, you guys? This is another day to flip $1,000 to something else. I'm flipping $1,000 to whatever amount it is, and I'm going to be making withdrawal before this week runs out. So, decided just came right now. So, I already started. I funded a $1,000 account and already started trading, and I'm already up about $10. I hope that's clear enough. All right. So, the reason why I just wanted to do this is I have something that I want to buy, and I was just thinking instead of buying it off of my pocket with $1,000. Why don't I just trade this $1,000 to something uh, that I could actually use in buying it outrightly, because it actually costs about 1,200 US dollars to pay for. So it's either I make $500, at least the price will be discounted, not me using my outright 1,200 US dollars to buy. Okay, so that's one idea that just came to my head. And again, I'm also still going to be trading the other account that I'm trading, which is a prop firm account, which I started yesterday. So this is just my basic trading. So it's just how it comes. You know, as a forex trader, sometimes you just wake up and other ideas come. Okay, can I do this? Can I trade this? Can I? That's how it's just coming on my head. I'm starting this series of how my daily activities always go in trading. So I'm just documenting this, so you can also use this to match yours if it's the same. And if there's something that you want to take from mine, you can also just take it and add it to yours and merge. Okay, it's just all learning process that we're still in on. I'm doing this because of you. I want to learn. I want to know how it truly is for me as a Nigerian day trader, and that is it. So let's get straight to the chart. Let me show you my analysis this morning. On my screen this morning, I'm seeing a possible long. So first, you see, yesterday, this was where my stop loss was taken. I was actually anticipating more sales from this zone, and I did another sell here that I did make profit, but I already edited the video and I published. That's what you're already seeing, the video you see before this one. Okay, then price got here, I sold here, and I also made profit from on this point, and I exited my trade somewhere around here. Okay, so I already made this one early in the morning, because the time right now is 7:52 a.m. So that's pretty early, almost London. London starts 8 a.m. because we use the exact same time as London right now at the time I was making this video. So I'm expecting more buy bullish candle. So that's why I started buying from here. So I'm even going to add new position at this point to buy. So why am I buying from this point? This is an impulsive move. This is like a correction, and price is still surge to the upside. So even right now, I want to add one more position because I just know that price is going to move up to this point. I'm going to add one more position on my phone. So let me show you guys that. So the long is going to be like here, long. I'm going to be long here. My stop is going to be somewhere around here. Then I'm going to be targeting somewhere here. That's about 106 pips. So that's what I'm targeting, right? So fingers crossed. I hope this plays out before we start seeing a drop. All right, so I want to place another trade right here. So I'll be on 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. So let me just go ahead and do 0.1. So that's what I want to do, 0.1 lot size. So as I'm doing this, I'll just click on the buy, and I'll later come back to modify my stop loss. I'll put my stop loss later. So this is my stop loss zone. I'll do that off camera. All right. So let's watch. These are the positions now. Minus $10 already. Let's see how this turns out. So today it's another day, and I'm still day trading. I'm still trading this $1,000 to something else. I don't even know. But one thing I'm sure of, it cannot be less than 1,000 again. I started with it has to be higher. I need to buy this exact thing I want to get. Okay, so I was able to make back my money. I lost some profit at some point, but I wasn't able to film anymore. And I make back the whole losses and even small profit. But that's it, my friend. These were the trades I was in on. I lost about 16, 12, 17. I got hit out in stop loss and I closed others manually. And then I only caught 2 other entries, and then this made up for all of this. So at the end of the day, I was already at break even. So this brought the account back to 1,092. So it's the exact same account. Let me go ahead and show you the analysis that I have here on GVPS, the way I'm watching. Obviously, I should be looking to short. Yesterday, I tried shorting too early, and then I also went long again. When I see that the short wasn't working, I changed bias. I was so flexible. Then I made profit from the long trade I entered. Now, let's see how I'm going to be approaching it this morning. I want you guys to come along with me. Here's how I make my daily decision, and then you can as well take a thing or two from this one and then add to yours and modify your own trading journey. All right, so let's go. Yesterday, I had an entry right here which for a sell, and I got stopped out right here. Remember, my stop loss was a little bit below here. This flash took out my stop. Okay, then I was live with my team. Immediately, I repositioned. I entered new position here. Immediately, price started going up. I made back profit. So that's what those trading opportunities you saw on my phone earlier. And I was actually waiting for price to get to this zone, and then I'll look to short. But this was already so late, I can't take trade at this point. All right, so I have times to when I want to take trades. So I didn't take trade here, so I waited for price to. I just woke up about this is check the time at the bottom. So here it's 5:40, 5:45. I was already awake checking charts. But right now, price is 7:15. Right now it's 7:15 my time. But I'm not going to get in because it's already moving down so fast. I was actually anticipating for price to move back up here so I can form a double top or a triple top, as you may call it, and then start dropping aggressively. So let's watch what it's going to do here. If it persists at this point, then I have to look for an entry to join. But ultimately, I'm waiting for price to move back here, enter, then I'll come back down with it. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, I was eating then. I just checked on my phone and there's already a spike close to my box of interest. Okay, past that zone actually. So here's it. So price got to this point and even bust past it. I'm not in yet. But what I would just want to be doing is I wait for any little rejection. If this candle closes, I'm going to be getting in very soon. Or before this candle closes, I'll be getting in pretty soon. Price finally at the entry point where I want to get in. Now it's already created this. Once I see weak rejection and second weak rejection, I think that's the best time for me to want to get in. So I have to take this one now. Here's now my entry point. So let's go ahead and I want to get in now. Since $1,000 account, I'll be doing 0.1 here at this point. Be 0.10, 0.1. Then I'll click short. Then my stop loss, I want my stop. I'm going to move my entry somewhere around here. Move my entry. This is now my entry threshold. All right. Entry I got in exactly at this point. So my entry would be somewhere around, close out this. My entry is somewhere around here, and my stop loss would be somewhere around here. Yeah, let's use this as stop. I'm only risking 28 pips on this trade, only just 28 pips. Guys, market has really just been very crazy. I have not had my back because I've been wondering this whole thing. I'm watching keenly. Here's just it. So I lost some money from this spike. Obviously, you guys remember I entered for short somewhere around here, but I got kicked out because of my stop loss got extended. It got kicked out around here. So I was trying to enter too many positions at the same time early. So I lost 216 US dollars there on this account. So right now, this news move upon getting to this high again, because I know this is CPI, this flash is CPI news. This flash here, yes, is CPI, and I just entered some position, some here. So that's where I'm currently in. So I'm up about $100 there about, but I'm still negative as far as I'm concerned because price has not gotten to $1,000. So let's keep watching. So what's up, you guys? I'm still in on the challenge, and I think today should be the last day. This is third day. So I've been on this trade and it's just floating here and there. I think I've been able to come back up to $1,000. So yesterday I made some loss and now it's getting better and better. So let me just show you guys the trades. Here are they. So I'm already up about 186. Oh, I'm having a call there. Hold on, let me handle that. So I'm having about 186, which is taking me back to 1,062. But before now, sorry, a call again. I put my phone DND. So before now, I've just been watching. So I wanted to give you guys updates yesterday, but I never really had much time. But right now I'm traveling to Ghana. So Ghanaians, I'm sure I'm going to be catching you guys live at the event. Hopefully I'm going to meet you guys and happily we should connect. So here's it. So these are the trades that I'm currently in on. You can see the equity is 1,054 and my balance dropped yesterday to 875. That's because I closed out some of them because I was scared of the margin. But now I'm back up. Let me show you the trades that I'm in on. Can you see the entries? We are at that top. So some of them was at that top now here. So I'm going to be traveling in a couple of minutes. So I'll keep you guys posted. Let's see how no market is closing today. Let's see how far I'm able to go with this. So before the market closes, I should close out this trade and then I'll give you guys a report. I'll see you guys in no time.
Busy.